And today I'm going to be showing you guys how to passively earn Bitcoin when shopping online. So if you go down in my description right now, you'll see my referral link for lolly.com. If you use my referral when signing up on Lolly, then we should both receive $10 in Bitcoin when you make your first purchase. So my balance is nothing because I don't use. I'm on my laptop right now and I don't ever really use it. Although my girlfriend actually has used a Lolly, and so has my sister and my mom. So they've earned Bitcoin back shopping on websites, Sephora, Old Navy, all these different types of websites. So the cool thing about this is it's just a Chrome extension. And here's how it works. Install the Lolly extension on your favorite browser and shop the web, and they'll notify you when you're on one of their partner stores. I'll show you an example of that. And you earn Bitcoin when checking out using Lolly, which is really cool. So you can actually go on Lolly's website itself and go through here and look at their partners and see how much Bitcoin you get back, and then click shop. But I'll give an example of like oldnavy.com. So when I go here, it'll say lolly.com activate up to 3.5% Bitcoin back. So you click on that. It'll do its little hold tight thing while activating the shopping spree. It's activated, and it'll tell you it's activated, and that's how you know. And then you just go about doing whatever you want to do and buy your clothes and shop and all that. And then at checkout, it'll process through, and it'll take like 30 to 90 days for you to receive the Bitcoin. Just because you're not purchasing the the clothes at Old Navy with Bitcoin. You're purchasing with like your debit or credit card, and so they need to confirm that the transaction went through. It's not gonna, you're not charging the company back and just getting free Bitcoin out of it without having to even pay any of these companies anything. So that's why they have that delay of 30 to 90 days to make sure it goes fully through, and you're not gonna like refund it or anything of the purchase that you make. But it's very easy to use, simple sign up, just like email and password, or sign in with Facebook. And it's just like an easy Chrome extension. You don't even have to go through the store's link. You can just shop like normal, and it'll tell you if it's one of their partners, and you just click activate. So it's a very simple process of accumulating sats, like Satoshis, like that's a unit of Bitcoin, smaller units. So that's basically it for this video. The referral for it will be down in the description down below. If you use my link, we'll both get $10 back when you use it for your first purchase. So see you guys later in another video.